So now I want to talk about the actual implementation options of Fabric planning. So please, these are just the best practices that we have actually built. It's a recommendation. Now it may change by the customer industry, but these at a high level, these are some of the best practices that our customers have seen to use and seems to work really very well for our customers. So not a lot of you know that there are so many different methods already available within the product. Most of you are just, because of the ease of use, just connect to the semantic model, apply the filters, do everything and then do the write back. That's what most, because it is self-service truly. And I really wanted to make sure that you extend beyond that. One of the things that I wanted to talk about, this is something that we are coming out as part of GA, is a new concept called a measure model, because we used to have what is called as a row model or a model builder, but a lot of customers gave a feedback that I have already invested in creating my measures, my KPIs, my metrics already modeled and is part of my semantic model. I simply want to drag and drop. I don't want to put some effort into the model builder and all of that. Think about it. It's nothing but row-based modeling or a measure in row layout. So this is something that is coming as part of the GA, which is low complexity, just similar to the context. You just to drag the dimensions and all the measures and then do the measure grouping. I will be showing you a preview of that. The cube and the multidimensional plans we did not have in the InfoRiver world, but this is something that we have invested over the last 2 years to bring. But we wanted to retain the essence of no code and self-service. Just because we want to do multidimensional planning, we didn't want to make our product complicated. We really are proud to say this is incredibly flexible. You can actually create a lot of different flexible views and plan at a higher level, plan at a lower level. They will interact with each other. And we still retain the self-service nature because it just directly reads the historical actuals from the semantic model. It's still not a highly complex thing. It's not as easy as the first method, but you could actually do, once you get the hang of how it works, it's fairly easy for any business user to pick it up. The fourth one is dimension partitioning. The dimension partitioning method means it's because most companies are global. They all want to plan in their own currency. They all want to plan in their own grain, basically. For example, US may say, I want to plan at maybe all the way down to the product level, but other countries, we don't sell as much, I want to plan at a product category level. This is something that every country can plan in their own grain, and then you can actually put them together. It's something that I will talk about. Now, it's nothing but an extension of the first method, but you can have a lot of sheets, and then we give you a way to, bridge and transform and do a consolidation. Think of it as a consolidation level. The PowerTable, which basically is integrated to the planning sheet, it is integrated to the intelligence sheet. So one of the recommendation is, if I have to plan at an employee level, material level, customer level, or at a line item level, that grain, it could be because I can have a material table that is 500 million, or I can have 20 million, 30 million customers. So maintain that very detailed grain in PowerTable. It has a live integration to the planning sheets, which means whatever you change within less than 5 seconds, it will aggregate, it will do the roll-ups, all of that for you. So this is something I kind of want. You just have to think through and model. So we are giving you that option as well. The row model or the model builder, if somebody is very familiar with our Value offering, which is extremely strong for driver-based planning, strategic planning, but you have to connect your operational drivers to your financial drivers. It requires a lot of the business modeling acumen. You need that, not just the Power BI modeling skill, but on top of that, you have to be really a functional guru, how your business is modeled, and you have to do that. But once you do that, it's a very, very powerful driver-based planning software. In fact, Value won the Financial Modeling Innovation Award in 2020. And that whole engine is what you have. But a lot